Why don't we ever tell secrets on vacation? Because we're afraid the potatoes might have eyes. Now that we've started with a chuckle, let's dive into our first morning habit when traveling: waking up early. Rise and shine, travel enthusiasts. As the age-old adage goes, the early bird catches the worm, or in our case, the best vacation experiences. It might seem counterintuitive to set an early alarm when you're supposed to be relaxing, but let me assure you, the benefits far outweigh the lure of the snooze button. Firstly, greeting the morning sun gives you a head start on your day. With more hours of daylight at your disposal, you're able to explore more, experience more, and create more lasting memories. From wandering through bustling local markets to hiking scenic trails, the world is your playground when you start your day early. Secondly, by being an early riser, you get the chance to beat the crowds, especially at popular tourist spots. Imagine having the Mona Lisa all to yourself, or being the first to leave your footprints on a pristine sandy beach. There's a unique sense of tranquility to be found in these early moments before the rest of the world wakes up. And let's not forget about the breathtaking sunrises that are often missed by late sleepers. There's something truly magical about watching the sky gradually light up with hues of pink and orange, painting a new day on the canvas of the horizon. It's a spectacle that's worth every yawn and stretch of an early morning wake-up call. But it's not just about what you can see and do. Waking up early also gives you a moment of quiet and solitude to gather your thoughts, plan your day, and set your intentions. It's a chance to start your day on your own terms, at your own pace, before the hustle and bustle of the vacation day begins. So, setting an early alarm might just be the key to unlocking the best vacation experience. Don't just take my word for it, give it a try on your next adventure. After all, the early bird not only gets the worm, but also the most out of their vacation. After an early rise, it's time to fuel up for the day's adventures. Our second habit is a hearty breakfast. Breakfast is more than just the first meal of the day. It's the kickstarter to your morning, the source of energy that keeps you going. It's the key to maintaining focus when you're marveling at ancient ruins or hiking up a breathtaking mountain trail. And when you're traveling, breakfast becomes an opportunity to dive into the local culture. Have you ever tried the fluffy pancakes in America or the spicy miso soup in Japan? How about the creamy croissants from a French patisserie or a full English breakfast in the heart of London? Each place offers its unique breakfast menu that sets the tone for an authentic experience. So don't just eat breakfast, savor it, enjoy it. Remember, a good breakfast is a great investment for a fun-filled vacation day. With a full belly, it's time to plan your day. Habit 3, a flexible itinerary. Now, you've probably heard the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. And that holds some truth even when you're on vacation. But there's a nuance to it that's often overlooked. It's not just about planning, but planning with flexibility. Planning your day ahead gives structure to your vacation. It allows you to make the most out of your time and ensures you experience all the must-see sights and must-do activities. It's about waking up with a purpose, knowing that you have an exciting day ahead, filled with adventures and experiences that you've been dreaming of. But here's the twist. While planning is crucial, what's equally important is leaving some room for spontaneity and surprises. Because let's be honest, the best parts of a vacation are often the ones you didn't see coming. The unexpected detour that leads you to a breathtaking view, the local festival you stumble upon, the quaint cafe you discover by chance. These are the moments that add a dash of magic to your vacation. Think of your plan as a guide rather than a strict timetable. It's there to steer you in the right direction, but it shouldn't stop you from veering off the beaten path now and then. It's about finding the balance between structure and spontaneity. That's where the real adventure lies. So by all means, plan your day. Research the places you want to visit, the foods you want to try, the experiences you want to have. But remember to leave some blank spaces in your itinerary. Let life fill those in with its own beautiful surprises. Embrace the unknown, welcome the unexpected, and let the magic of spontaneity add a touch of color to your well-planned canvas. After all, isn't that what travel is all about? Exploring new paths, discovering hidden gems, and creating memories that last a lifetime. A little planning goes a long way, but don't forget to let your vacation surprise you. If you're traveling with pets, Habit 4 is for you. Consider your furry friends in your plans. Pets are part of the family. They deserve to have fun too. When planning your day, look for pet-friendly activities, whether it's a beach that allows dogs to frolic in the waves, a park where they can chase squirrels, or a pet-friendly cafe. Including activities that your pet can enjoy, will make your vacation all the more memorable. But remember, their comfort and safety should be your top priority. Make sure they're well hydrated, protected from the sun, and have a safe space to relax and retreat. Bring along their favorite toys or blanket to make them feel at home. Pets have a unique way of making even the simplest moments special. Their joy is infectious, their energy boundless. Their companionship can add a whole new dimension to your vacation experience. Remember, a happy pet can make for a happy vacation. Our fifth habit is essential for any traveler: staying hydrated and snacking smart. Imagine this: you're exploring a vibrant city or trekking through a lush rainforest. Sounds exciting, right? But remember, with all that enthusiasm and energy, your body is also burning fuel and losing water. And the last thing you want is to be dehydrated or low on energy in the middle of a fun-filled day. That's where our fifth habit comes in. Water is the elixir of life. It's essential for our bodies to function properly, especially when we're physically active or in hot climates. Dehydration can sneak up on you, resulting in fatigue, dizziness, or even fainting. So, make it a habit to always carry a reusable water bottle with you. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it also ensures you have a water source at hand. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're probably already dehydrated. So sip throughout the day, don't wait until you're parched. Now let's talk about snacking. We're not talking about chips or candy bars here. Think more along the lines of nuts, fresh fruits, granola bars, or even a peanut butter sandwich. These are energy-dense foods that provide sustained energy release. They're like little powerhouses that keep you going. And the best part? You can easily pack them in your day bag. So when hunger strikes in the middle of your exploration, you're prepared. In essence, staying hydrated and snacking smart is all about taking care of your body. It's about ensuring you have the energy and vitality to fully enjoy your vacation. It's like your body is your car, water is the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly, and snacks are the fuel that powers the ride. Staying hydrated and snacking smart will keep you energized and ready for your vacation adventures. Our final habit is a quiet one, but powerful: reflection and gratitude. The hustle and bustle of travel can sometimes make us forget why we embarked on this journey in the first place. As we navigate through new cities, cultures, and experiences, it's essential to take a step back and soak in the beauty of the journey. This is where the practice of reflection and gratitude comes into play. Every morning, as the sun peeks over the horizon and bathes the world in its golden glow, take a few moments to yourself. Reflect on the experiences you've had, the memories you've made, and the people you've met. Think about the taste of the new foods you've tried, the laughter shared with loved ones, the awe-inspiring landscapes you've seen, and the adventures you've embarked upon. Now, let's move on to gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can significantly enhance your travel experience. It's not just about saying thank you, it's about genuinely feeling a sense of appreciation for the experiences you're having. It's about acknowledging the privilege of being able to travel, to explore new places, and to immerse yourself in different cultures. Expressing gratitude doesn't have to be a grand gesture. It can be as simple as a quiet thank you whispered to the universe as you sip your morning coffee. Or it could be jotting down a few lines in a gratitude journal, capturing your appreciation for the day ahead. So why is this habit so important? Reflection and gratitude can change your perspective on your vacation. It can turn a simple trip into a journey of self-discovery. It can make you more mindful, more present, and more appreciative of your surroundings. It can help you savor the small moments, the unexpected delights, and the sheer joy of exploration. And most importantly, it can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Starting your day with a sense of gratitude can make you more open to new experiences, more resilient in the face of challenges, and more appreciative of the beauty that surrounds you. A moment of reflection and gratitude each morning can set a positive tone for the rest of your vacation day.